Okay, we are here today because these little Twinkies have grown really long hair. And they are both asking for a haircut before camp starts tomorrow. I have no idea what we're gonna do. Last time we did the most amazing butterfly cut on this one, and we loved it, but it's kind of growing out very straggly, the ends. Do you want to do that again, or what are you thinking?
I'm thinking cut it straight.
Straight across. And Emmy, what are you thinking? Straight across. They're both thinking straight across.
Yeah.
Which I've never done since they were babies with like really thin hair. So I'm not really sure how to do it. We're just gonna not cut it too short so we have room to work with it. This is my usual go-to method, leave room to fix it. And they might cut each other's hair. And then I might fix it up. And if we have to, we'll go to the salon. You know, it's just hair. We'll have some fun.
Let's go!
Twin versus twin.
Let's see who can do it better.
Who can do a better haircut? Are you really gonna cut it all by yourself?
Yeah. Not all. Not all.
Okay.
Just go like this. And then mom will do how much.
Okay.
I mean, would this be enough? Yeah, that's good. And then mom will do a little.
Okay. You've got a comb and you've got scissors. Got it wet.
This is beautiful hair.
It is beautiful hair.
Is she cutting my
Oh my gosh.
Did she?
Oh, she just did.
I turned around. I accidentally made a mistake. I cut.
Okay.
Hold on, Emmy. Did you cut it? I'm gonna make sure it's even. That's good. At least that's good enough.
Good enough. They've got mama's attitude. Good enough. Oh my gosh, she's doing more. It's just hair.
Okay, I'm like a professional hair. That's good. Look at the back.
You want to keep it or do you want to go shorter? Because she just trimmed off the bottom, but she didn't cut it.
I want to cut more.
Show me exactly how short you want to go. Like that, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so I want you to look down at the ground. Down, all the way down. Okay. Okay.
Imagine it wasn't filming. I'm too scared. You want her?
Down your back. What do we think? Ah, yes! I mean, okay, now you turn around. I've seen them do this, watch. Ready? Gotta make sure it's even. We go like this. Pyong. Ooh. I mean, yeah, that's pretty even. All right, we're gonna let it dry and see how it does. If we need to like layer it or do some up slicing or something because it just looks like really hacked up, then we'll do that. But for now, I think I got a pretty good even cut. On to you now. Where was that brush? Emmy gets to try cutting Mia's hair now.
Keep it straight.
Revenge. She's so careful. It's adorable. What happened?
That thing, it looks like a staircase.
A staircase? Oh boy, that's not good. Want me to take over?
I want you to take it.
Yes. I mean, I'm not professional either. You guys are probably just as good as I am.
Oh. That's very high.
No, it's not as high as yours. Look down a little, look down. Yes, hopefully that's gonna help. So the underside doesn't fall off.
Oh my god! It's there.
Looks straight enough to me. What do we think? Feel it. We'll check the front. That's even. I don't think we even cut the front because that was so short from the butterfly cut. It's still not even as short as your shortest layers. Let it dry and see what the damage is.
Can I take this off?
You?
She pooped.
She pooped?
She pooped.
Your head's pooped. Lots of hair down there.
Oh, it's pooped. She pooped.
She pooped. Okay, go. Ladies, what do we think? Turn around, slowly. I think they came out great. A nice, cute little blunt cut was really easy, and we'll see how we like it. And if we want to go back and do layers later, we can.